Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot email marketing. First, familiarize yourself with the platform's robust features designed to streamline your communication efforts. Navigate the intuitive dashboard to access all necessary tools. Begin by clearly defining your target audience. This crucial step ensures your messages resonate with the right people. A well-defined audience is the foundation for every successful email campaign you create. Next, let's craft your first email campaign. Utilize HubSpot's user-friendly drag-and-drop editor to design visually appealing emails quickly. Personalize your content with contact tokens to make each message feel unique and relevant to the recipient, boosting engagement significantly. Remember to segment your contact lists into specific groups. This allows you to send highly targeted messages, ensuring maximum impact and better response rates from your audience. Now, it's time to automate and send your emails. Schedule your campaigns for optimal delivery times, ensuring your messages reach recipients when they are most likely to open them. Leverage HubSpot's powerful automation tools to create workflows for follow-up sequences, nurturing leads effortlessly. Always perform thorough A/B tests and send test emails to yourself and a small group. This critical step helps catch any errors before your campaign goes live to your entire audience. Finally, analyze your email performance to continuously improve. Monitor key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates within your HubSpot dashboard. Use these insights to understand what resonates with your audience. Conduct A/B tests on subject lines, content, and calls to action to identify the most effective elements. Regularly refine your email marketing strategy based on this valuable data, ensuring ongoing success and better engagement over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.